Guys, I just bought this tower extension lead. For USB ports for your PlayStation controllers, your mobile phone, whatever. $3 meters, colour white. Let's look at this bad boy. Oh, it's quite nice, this. There's like the USBs at the bottom for your PlayStation controllers, your mobile phone, whatever. It's got like a power on and switch. This is cool because I need this, you know, because I'm running out of power sockets and all that. Just full up in this room, man. Just got too much stuff. So this will do the job. Awesome. It's quite nice. Cool. Quite happy. From Amazon UK. 27 quid. Not bad. Cheers.